Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. It's Scott here again, another one with a GTI. I'm going to do a very short video today on quite a simple mod. Today I'm going to replace the sun-visor. If you're wondering why, well, stick around to the end of the video to find out. Let's do it. So first of all, the reason I was going to replace this is because the clip has broken. This is just dangling down. So let's get this off first. This is all that remains of the old clip. Got a new one here. That just pushes in at the back here. Screws in there. Okay, so that's the clip in. Why am I replacing this? Well, I'll get the new one in and you will see why when I'm done. Easy to remove these, it's just two screws. One there and one here. You can see where it screws into the bodywork just there. Okay. First screw in. Second screw in. So why have I replaced it? Why have I replaced this one with this one? So they look pretty much identical, right? Well, this is the reason why. Now, have a mirror. So yeah, this sun visor is out of the GTD. One of the joys of having a spare donor car, I guess. And I thought it'd be quite a cool mod to have, to be able to have a mirror, vanity mirror on the driver's side. And the passenger side. It's not something you see very often in these cars. So let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Is this something VW should have put in from the start? If you found it useful or entertaining, please consider dropping a like or click on subscribe. There's links to my Patreon below where you can get your name on the end of the show. And I'll see you at Tatton Park if I haven't seen you already. And if I have, it was lovely meeting you. See you in the next video.